Hey everyone, welcome to our quick tutorial on how to create a time request in Desklog. Let's get started. Step 1, log into the Desklog app, and from the left-hand panel, click on My Desklog. This will open your timeline. To request changes in the tracked hour, click on the time slot you wish to create a time request for. A pop-up will appear, asking you to enter the necessary details for the time request. First, recheck start time and end time. Next, make sure to add a short description of the task or work you completed during this time. For private and other time, you can only request it as focus time. However, for idle time, you have the option to request it as either focus time or private time. If required, you can either select a task from the drop-down or create a task by selecting the project and entering the task name. Important note, if you are an admin, you can add users to your time request, but only when requesting private time or idle time. This option is not available for other time requests. Once you fill in these details, click Save. Your time request will be sent for approval to the team leads or managers. After it's approved, those hours will be added to your total tracked time. And that's it. Super easy, right? If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.